Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. We have Clyde Decker to thank or to blame, depending on how you look at it, for this video. He mentioned doing a kitchen update, and so I looked back through the phone and realized that there was video that I had done but never done anything with. So here you go. You may recall that I did a short video where I showed you the light switch that I was very proud of. Well, this was the work up to it and part of the reason for it. Just in case anybody's curious as to what's going on and why there hasn't been any videos posted, that's the editing table, desk, workspace, and this is the shop. Yeah, I've been a little busy running wire, trying to get ready for the kitchen transition. Now, one of the things I have to do, which shouldn't bother me but does, I have to leave everything open so that they can see it before the inspector comes. Started out, I was going to make one circuit. I'm going to change the outlets behind the countertop so that they were all grounded, and set them up with a GFCI and a AFCI, and well, that kind of went south because when I opened up the box, which I've spoken about in the previous video, I found that there were a great many things that were not accounted for in anything other than running one wire to run the house. One kind of a Lord of the Rings reference there. One ring to rule them all, and in the darkness bind them. Well, it was in a junction box behind the counter. So I have run wire all over creation, and I have more to do today. So that's where we're at with the project. I'm in the midst and betwixt and between having everything running. Now this particular job I need to do in the daylight because I have to shut off the power of the basement in order to do the job. So no video. It's too dark for video. That's what I've been up to.